Hello everyone, this is Stock Bytes channel, and in this video we are going to see about put options. So in the last video I told you about call options. So if we are expecting market, that is Nifty, to go up from current levels, you are going for buying for call option. So in this scenario, if we are expecting market to fall from current levels, then we are going to buy for put options. So if assume that currently market is around 11,500 and we are expecting market to fall towards 11,300, so then we have to buy put options. So the exchange will be fixing many such strike price. The 11,300 what I told is strike price. So likewise, if someone thinks that market will fall only till 11,400, then he can select the 11,400 strike price. So in this example, we are going for 11,300 put option. So 11,300 is the strike price, and we are going for the monthly expiry. That is last Thursday would be the expiry, and the premium currently assume that it is trading around 34 rupees, and the investment will be 34 into lot size of Nifty, that is 75, so it comes to 2550. So that would be our investment. If Nifty moves down, because we are expecting market to move down, then this premium also increases. So here you can see the actual cost. What is meant by actual cost means we are selected 11,300 is the strike rate, and we bought the premium for 34 rupees. So 11,300 minus 34, that is 11,266 would be the actual cost. So what is meant by this actual cost? So assume that we are waiting till last Thursday and the market is not going below 11,300, it is staying around 11,350 or 400, like that. Then what will happen to this premium? The premium will become zero. Fine, because our actual cost is 11,266. Only if the Nifty is below 11,266, we will be able to retain our premium, that is 34 rupees. But it is not necessary that we have to wait till last Thursday, that is expiry date. Assume that you are buying today when Nifty was 11,500, but Nifty slips the next day by 100 points, it goes to 11,400, then the premium will also increase. We need not wait till last Thursday. The premium till last Thursday will go up and down according to that market movement. Fine. So we bought for 11,000, that is premium 34 rupees, and assume that see the here in the screenshot of NSE website, you can just search for Nifty option chain, and you can get various strike price. So here in this example, we bought for 11,300 put option, the premium of around 34 rupees, right? So if Nifty falls from current level, the premium increases to either 40, 45 or 44. According to how fast Nifty is going down, the premium also increases accordingly. So assume that in this example Nifty falls toward 11,400 the next day, then the premium will be maybe rising by 10 or 15 rupees according to the demand and supply on that particular day. So it goes, assume that it goes to 44 rupees, then we are booking profit at 44 rupees, selling at 44 rupees. The 10 rupees different into lot size, that is 10 rupees into 75 would be, that is 750 rupees will be our profit. Right? The same scenario, assume that we are expecting market to fall, but market is going up. So in this scenario, the premium will come down. We bought for 34 rupees, it may go down to 30 rupees or 25 rupees. So whatever the rate, if you want, you can exit. Whatever the rate you are exit, assume that you are exiting at selling, exiting or selling at 24. We bought for 34, we are selling at 24. In this case, we are losing 10 rupees. So the whatever the premium on that day we are selling, it is our loss. But likewise, we can wait till the expiry date. That is, like if you are selecting monthly expiry, last Thursday will be the expiry. Till then we have time to sell. Okay, but it's not necessary that we have to wait till last Thursday. If you are getting profit even the next day, you can sell it, right? So hope you understand about the put option in this video, and the next coming video will be seeing more such option strategy. So if you like this video, please subscribe.